Hey guys, and welcome back. Tina Turner, music legend, will open up about her son's suicide in a new documentary. Now, the singer is working on the ultimate on camera insight into her astonishing career and heartbreaking personal life, including abusive marriage to her first husband, Ike Turner. Now, producers have agreed with the 78-year-old Turner that no subjects will be off limit, including her family traumas over the course of her long career. Now, Tina has not spoken publicly about her eldest son, Craig's suicide last week. Yeah, he was 59 years old and he died from a self inflicted gunshot wound at his Studio City home in LA on last Tuesday. Now, a source connected to the production team said Tina will address the loss of Craig in the project. She started filming the project. She will start, she will start filming the project in the next few weeks with many hours on camera interviews lined up. Now, given how Tina is discussing much of the darker moments in her life, this would be impossible to miss out. Now, before Craig passed, Tina agreed that nothing will be off the table with revelations, too, that the public have never heard. It will be a remarkable story. It's sure to shock people. In early briefings, some of the discussion points have really been harrowing. Now, what Tina has seen and lived through is astonishing. But for the first time, the truth about the violence, drugs, and family problems will be told in full by her. Now, Tina's husband, Erwin Bach, will act as the executive producer and will launch Tina Turner the musical in London's West End. Now, the film will feature Turner herself as well as friends and collaborators. Well, we will keep Tina and her family in our prayers and send out condolences and keep her in our prayers. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And it's parting. Be blessed, y'all.